Yo, what's up, traders? Today we're here again with Leo. You've seen him in the previous video.
Yeah,
Today he's gonna explain how he looks at the markets. He has a lot of understanding on order flow. He's gonna show you how our strategy made like these amounts over the last periods, like 161 or no 52% profit, 61% win rate. And this is just one of the many examples of the backtests we've done and Leo has done. So yeah, if you're interested in that, in the strategy behind like everything, then feel free to check out the previous video. And yeah, without further ado, I'll leave the stage to Leo.
yes, thank you, Tony. Hello, guys, how are you doing? So today we'll just speak about very simple thing that me and Tony are working in the past few weeks is to understand how we want to explain our community to see a market structure properly. So eventually, this market structure made us, as Tony said, 152% in 5 months on gold. In 2026, January till May, 61% win rate. So now we'll jump very fast to trading view. I want to show you on trading view on Euro USD. Very small example of how we read the market structure and how it helps us to eventually execute the trades properly. So I will go first of all to the line chart. I don't care anymore from big time frames, weekly, daily, 4 hour, only for this strategy. Yeah, you can do a lot of analyzing with yourself. For implementing this strategy with your trading, it's very simple. Just jump into the 1 hour. We don't need more than it for now. Okay, so on the 1 hour, I want to go first of all to the line chart. If it's new for you, you will need to learn how it works. It's very simple. So this is Japanese candles, as everyone knows, and the line chart, it's actually the candles without the wicks. Without the wicks. Okay, we have wicks on the Japanese candles, and when we press on the line chart, it's just shows us the candles bodies themselves. Okay, so then there's no noises, and we can actually see what is the markets are doing and who is in control. So for example, we can see that we had here a nice lower low and here a nice break of structure. So that was our higher high. And if I put it in lines, this was our higher high. Then we had a correction. And then again, we had the break of structure towards the upside. So this one became my new higher high. And this one stayed my lower low. Okay. Again, we had some manipulation inside the market, movements, sellers went inside. Again, structure broke towards the downside. So now we have a new lower low, and this higher stays the same. Okay, until when? Until this one will break again. Okay, so here, for example, we can see that the market went up and went down exactly the same. So this one broke, right? So it's not my lower low anymore. This one becomes my lower high, and somewhere in the future the market will stop, will make a small correction, and will keep going the same direction towards the downside. So this became my lower low, and this one became my higher high. But remember, this point cannot be my higher high until one day it will break the lower low again. So until we broke the lower low, this one stayed my higher high. Okay, so we broke this one, this became my higher high, this my lower low, we broke again.
And it's
Again,
important, I want to share, like in between that massive drop, right? Like
yeah,
if there was momentum stuff going on, that would just be noise, and a lot of people will get stopped out. If a lot of stuff happens there, then people will think, oh, we're bullish, but it's nothing. It's noise. It's manipulation. There's a lot of things that can go on in between a lower low and a lower high, or a higher high and higher low. But it's not necessarily the structure. Like, and this is the way. This is a way to really follow structure and really know what's actually the real structure.
yes, without noises in the middle, because I only want to look on the external. So what Tony says actually, I don't care what's happening in the structure. I want to see the external, the extreme high, the extreme low, always. Inside, it's only manipulation. So here it's a good example, Tony. Like we had here a nice lower low. Again, this became our higher high in the moment the lower low break. And from here, what we can see that the market tried to break towards the upside, couldn't make it, went down again, but still our structure is still this one became my lower low, and this stayed my higher high.
Yeah,
What happens in the middle, we don't care.
and go to
Okay,
the candle chart. Like you'll see how messy it becomes. Like it will become
yes,
pretty messy. It will be like a little bit harder to read. That's why we use the line chart to make it like clear, to really easily see what's going on, to really follow the structure accordingly. And yeah, it helps us with the strategy immensely.
yes. So what we want with this strat actually is just to trade the line chart structure. We don't care about what's going on inside or outside. I want just every time to see who is in control in the market on the 1 hour. If we broke structure towards the upside, I will look for long. If we broke the structure towards the downside, I will look for shorts. Last example that it's very interesting. Here we see that we just ranged, and here we broke structure again towards the upside. This became my high, and this stayed my low. Okay, the market came in again, made some little bit manipulation. We can see it also in the line chart on the normal candle. Sorry, line chart. We broke again the lower low, so eventually this stays my high, and my lower low in the future when the pullback will start. This will be pure my lower low.
And we
Okay.
can just see that this is a win on our strategy based on what we're seeing on the line chart, basically.
Let's see. Yes. So now it's nice win. Actually, we could take here from here. That's a small example. Actually,
Yeah, nice little example.
it comes back to the 59561 and eventually goes to TP 1 to 2 if we want to set it up as Tony says. So it's very nice on the
Just a small example on how we use the structure that Leo just talked about and actually use it in our advantage to trade profitable.
yeah. So that's a small example of how eventually we implement it as seeing the structure, where we take the Fibonacci from, what are our levels, where do we enter, when do we put the stop loss. We'll make another video about it
Yep.
and exactly how to take the trade properly. But yeah, it's just to show you as a short video of how we read the market. Line chart, again, very easily. When we are breaking towards the downside, I want to see only the external break. And then where is my high? Where is my low? Where is my high? Low, high, low, high. That's all. That's all we need to know in this strategy. Where is my high and where is my low? When we know for 100% we read the market properly, we will have like the results of the FX replay. 61% win rate. Sometimes it will be 55, sometimes it can go up to 65, but eventually that's the results that we are looking for. And yeah,
With two risk
that's
to
for
reward ratio, so it's like everything up to like with 40% win rate, you're already profitable. We've had tests that vary from like 45% maybe to like 65 or whatever. It's high, it's looking highly profitable. We've tested like hundreds and hundreds of trades, probably even more than 1,000 already over all the trades. But yeah,
show you
oh yeah,
3,000.
3,600. Yeah, a lot of trades, and that's only on his account. I've also tested a little less than Leo. I'll give him credit where it's due. But yeah, I've also tested. So we've tested across multiple accounts, tested a lot. So yeah, I think that's it, right, for you, Leo?
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're still here, let us know what you think about these sort of videos. And yeah, if you like this sort of content, leaving a like, subscribe, comment is very much appreciated. And join the Discord. We're always there chatting and trying to share our knowledge that we have, helping everyone in the community. And yeah, you potentially meet some like-minded people. All right, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. And thanks again for Leo for sharing his knowledge.
Thank you, Tony. Bye bye.